We know small changes can make a big difference. In modern times, progress has run on fuel. Greenhouse gases are heating our planet off course. If we don't quit fossil fuels, the road ahead looks scary hot. Each degree warmer risks off-the-chart horror. Consequences matter for those we love and care about. The human family already suffers as our Earth's fever spikes. Distress is growing, as are extreme events, and those in deepest need are harmed the most. How to address cause and consequence? There are many measures we can and must embrace, so let's. But meanwhile, some scientists say we may well be on our way to way too little, way too late. So they warn we should consider solar geoengineering, a drastic idea once thought crazy and taboo, now gaining steam and crew. So what is solar geoengineering? Well, it's inspired by volcanoes, which sometimes explosively erupt, shooting megatons of sulfur way up high, above where planes fly. Many teeny tiny droplets, so light and small they spread around, staying more than a year in the stratosphere before they fall. While up high, each particle, like a mini parasol, casts a tiny shadow and cools our Earth below. In 1991, Mount Pinatubo's eruption filled the skies, cooled the globe, and slowed sea level rise. Imagine, science and technology could artificially replicate such volcano magic and try to abort the panic of a runaway climate. If you could tame the rising seas, wouldn't you do it? Some experts say it could be done with some billions and some time. Simply fly up high and spread a veil of magic powder, regulate the light, filter the skies, and deliberately manipulate the global climate. Affordable for some, with a quick effect. Someday soon we may be asked to act fast and trust the sulfur dust. But oh, by the way, there are no rules of play, no treaty on who has a say whether to deploy or to avoid this giant lever made of tiny aerosols. No geoengineering governance in place. Some call it a veil to protect and care, a planet remade, drowning delayed. Others talk of playing God, geopiracy, a climate hack, one worldwide ring to rule them all. Will we construct this global thermostat? Will dimming the sun make our future bright? Or will it just change the shade of dark? What if choosing silence is choosing collapse? In our lifetime, you and I, all of us, will likely confront this exceptional situation. To geoengineer or not to geoengineer? That will be our shared question.